Hey guys, in one of my last Halloween videos I had a flaming shovel, so make sure you take a look at that video. I'll leave a link in the description below. But in this video I want to try to do the same thing, except we're going to try to make a flaming axe. So stick around. Alright, so I shoved a couple wicks in here and they're fairly tight, but just in case I'd like to tack on a little weld right here and here just to hold it on. And worst comes to worst, if I need to take these wicks out, I can just grind these off really quick, pop them out, put in a couple new ones. It's not going to be a big deal. So let's do this for fun. Let's see what happens. So I'm not a welder by trade or anything like that, but I do a little bit of welding on the side, and we're just going to try this out, see what happens. I want to use something that I might have laying around already. So I've got some nails removed here. I'm just going to add one here and one here, just like that, just to kind of hold this on. So as I'm doing this line, I'm really just kind of taking this at an angle slightly this way, and then I turn this at an angle slightly that way, and that's just allowing me to widen that line a little bit at a time as I go back and forth. Here's the axe. It can work from here, but I want to scuff this up a little bit. I want it to look a little bit more battle worn, and I think it goes with what I did here. I didn't try to make this look absolutely beautiful or anything like that. So what I'm going to do is take off some of this new stuff with my angle grinder, as well as put some scuffs on this axe. That way it all kind of matches a little bit. So let's get to that. So as you can see, this worked out pretty darn well. One thing that we had problems with was at the beginning, the wicks were not lighting very well at all. So I took a razor knife and I just scored them a few times to try to open them up and allow a little bit more of that fuel to get into them. After that happened, took a few burns, but eventually, right off the rip, it'd start right up, and it looks freaking awesome.